Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video we are here to unbox something very special. So I got the biggest, largest mystery box and the most expensive, if I may add, $145 for what Jeffree says is the best mystery box yet. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. There is 5 exclusive, 12 items total, and I am super thrilled to see what's inside. We haven't missed a mystery box since his summer, so let's see what is inside with this one. Now, you know there was some tea and some drama in his previous one, where he ended up giving refunds for the mini and the Big Daddy that had the peppermint frost in it, which I do have. But he said he was going all out with these and they were going to be amazing. So let's open it up. Wow, it's not hard to open up. Okay, so right off the bat, I see here some pretty red packaging. And then, oh, he has these on hoodies, which I really wanted. It's a mesh bag, which I'll be using. There's this like weird sticky residue on the other side. It doesn't smell like anything, but the bag is super duper cute. You can throw like your groceries in there or whatever you need to. I love it. I definitely will be toting this tote bag around. So let's see what is next. And then next up, it looks like we have another bag. And this is all recyclable plastic. Thank you, Jeffree. I appreciate you looking out for the planet like that. Let's see. I don't know if it's a side bag or a tote bag. Oh my god, okay. So I have been looking at these for a while because I wanted to get one. These are his side body bags. This one is dark red with the black logo, and it says Jeffree all over it. This is like his side bag, which is super cute. Really stoked that I got one. Hi, oh my god. It's got a pocket here, and then it's got the zipper on top. I just can't believe I got one of these. I've been looking at the red ones. I'll put a picture up right here of the ones that I've been wanting to get. And then it looks like this inside. Show it off. And then this is what the back looks like. And it says Jeffree right there as well, as long as all over this. Now on to the next item. I really hope this isn't another blue blood, because when me and my friend unboxed the big one, there was a blue blood in there, and I already have a blue blood right here. So if it's a blue blood, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. So let's just open it up and see. And it is, of course, another blue blood. It's okay. I'll still use it. Alright, on to the next item. I do just want to kind of give this a moment though. This is what it looks like inside. Like I said, I already have a blue blood and I already gave away a blue blood. It's okay, I'll need more. So that is 1, 2, 3 items. There's supposed to be 12 in here, so we have 3 so far. Okay, the next is, it looks like another palette. I'm not sure what this one would be. Maybe androgyny. I hope it's not thirsty, because I also have that thirsty palette. Let's see. It's the Brain Freeze palette, which goes along with the Jawbreaker palette. This is the highlighting palette. I'm super excited about this because I am a highlighting freak. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Let me just give this a moment here. I can't believe this. And it's beautiful, and it's heavy too. Okay, this is the Skin Frost Pro palette. Wow. Wow. Can we just take a look at that? Beautiful. So this is Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky, Statuesque, Frozen Fruit, And then this is freeze tag, which is really pretty. Some more paper. There's just so much packaging. And a pop socket. And in here, I'm avoiding this giant box because I think I know what this is, but I want to wait until the very end. I have an inkling of what I think it is, and if it is, then I'm gonna flip out. So next up we have the gloss. This makes number 4 that I have. This is in the shade Ice Cold. Sorry about my voice. This is in the shade Ice Cold. Let's see there. Looks like the packaging is a little damaged. Ooh, this is like a green-white moment. Let's see here. They always smell so good. Let's see. I do have these other 3 shades. I have them in Candy Drip, Ice Goddess, and Crystal Flesh. And then this one is, so we're just going to top this off. Oh, wow. Wow, get into it. That's beautiful. That just transformed my whole look. And it looks like we have some lippies here. Let's see. There's just so much packaging everywhere. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have Doll Parts, Romeo, and Restraints. Doll Parts is one of his original 4 lipsticks that he started when the brand first launched, and this is kind of the shade that made him famous, this and Celebrity Skin. So we're just gonna unbox these real quick. This packaging kind of looks like his 5-year anniversary. So this is Doll Parts. Really cute. Another pink, and then we have Romeo, which is almost identical to this one, which is Cherry Wet, but this one is a little less saturated. There we go. And then Restraints, which is always sold out, so it's, ooh, this is super pretty. His lipsticks always smell so good. I think I'm going to take this one off and pop this on. All Parts, Romeo, and Restraints for the lippies. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. This is number 9. Okay, this is a little bit different packaging. Soft Core Sparkle. Okay, if I can ever get it out of the box. This one is really in there. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, that's the sound that I love to hear, especially when opening a new one. I just want to top it off on this one, just to take it there. Wow. This is actually really beautiful. And I just got the wand filthy, but it's worth it. So this is like a really pretty, almost like a really purple Urkel type color. And then thank God I've bought 9 mystery boxes and have not got a velour liquid lip scrub. I have one over here in the flavor Lemon Sucker, but I just have one. I'm ready to add to the collection. So this is in the flavor root beer. 9, 10, 11. Okay, so this is the last thing, which I have kind of an inkling on what it is. Okay, let's just toss the box out. So, his Valentine's Day collection. These, his ding Jeffree Star Approved that he always uses for his videos. He now has hand mirrors, which I'll put a picture up over here as well. And I believe, because look at the sticker, y'all, I believe this is actually one of his mirrors, which is gonna, okay, I'm just gonna open it. Be a professional. Okay, yeah, nope, I don't want to wait. I'm just gonna slice it open. Oh my god, it is! This mystery box is, ding, Jeffree Star approved. This is crazy. The one thing that I have to say about these chrome mirrors is that sometimes the chrome rubs off, but if you just take a look at this, this is absolutely crazy. Now I can just like bing, bing. Wow. Okay, so this is definitely worth my $125 to $145. It makes up for me not having the crazy pig backpack that I wanted that sold out immediately, but anywho, so all in all, final rundown, we got Blue Blood, the Star Mirror, the Brain Freeze palette, 3 lippies, the gloss, number 1, the root beer, we got the beautiful, gorgeous, lovely side bag, and then we got a lippy and a lip gloss, and the pop socket. So I really think all this is worth the $145 that I paid. Jeffree Star always kills it. So with that.